Hey everyone. If you want to connect Discord with other apps like websites, tools, or automation platforms in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to integrate Discord with other apps. First, understand that Discord integrations come in different forms, like webhooks, bots, and OAuth connections. Each one has a different purpose depending on your needs. Next, use webhooks for simple automation. This is useful for sending website alerts, form submissions, or system notifications to Discord. Now use bots for more advanced integrations. Bots can connect Discord with games, databases, and other external systems. You can also use OAuth for login systems. This allows users to sign into websites using their Discord account. Next, connect Discord with automation tools like Zapier or similar platforms. This helps you automate tasks without needing coding skills. You can also set up notifications and alerts. Apps can send updates like sales, errors, or activity logs directly to Discord. Finally, secure your integrations properly. Never share webhook URLs or API tokens publicly to avoid misuse. So yeah, that's how you integrate Discord with other apps in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can fully automate your workflow and connect everything smoothly. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone.